Hi, welcome to Deepthi Kiran video channel. The today topic is CMM level companies. CMM Capability Maturity Model. CMM is a benchmark for measuring the organization in software process. It is a methodology used to develop and refine an organization software development process. It describes the maturity of the company based upon the project the company is dealing with and clients. There are five types of maturity levels are number 1 initial, 2 repeatable, 3 defined, 4 managed, 5 optimizing. Each maturity level contains a key process area, that is KPS. CMM level 0 companies. Level 0 companies are the ones which do not add any structure process, tracking mechanism and plans. It is left to the developer or any person responsible for quality to ensure that product meets the expectations. CMM level 1 companies are the ones where the teams put an extra hard work to achieve the result. These are primarily the startup companies. Such companies do not have any structured tracking mechanism and defined standards. The software development work is performed informally, but it's not properly documented. Such companies usually have technical strong and more experienced people. Hence, the product ordered by them definitely it's a quality product. CMM level 2 companies are the ones which follow two things guidelines, like number 1 is defined guidelines, number 2 focus on durable. These companies have some planned process within the teams, and the teams are made to repeat them or follow this process for all projects being handled by them. However, these processes are not standardized across the organization. All the teams within the organization do not follow the same standard. CMM level 3 companies are the ones where the process are well defined and are followed throughout the organization. Such companies have strong team, well defined guidelines, and a focus on the long lasting, and the lean manager focus on documentation. CMM level 5 companies are the ones which have well defined process which are properly measured. Such organizations have a good understanding of IT projects which have good effort on the organization goals. Level 5 organization lead manager emphasize on research and development are able to continuously improve their process. we would like to give an example of one software project in Infosys company. First of all, we would like to talk briefly about Infosys company. Infosys company is a highly successful software house that has an headquarters in Bangalore, India. It currently employs approximately 10,000 people. It was founded in 1981 by a group of 7 software professionals. It provides software service to the customers. Their customers are engaged in varieties of business such as in banking, retailing, manufacturing, telecommunication, financial services, insurance and transportation. Infosys has a market capitalization. Revenue will be billions based on the market rates. The basic aim is the company is to provide software service to the customer all over the world. To provide software service to the customers, the company is organized into the strategic business units, with each business unit focusing on the different applications domain. Infosys company achieves CMM level 5 on December 1999. Software Engineer Institute published the medium times to move from maturity level to the next. Maturity level 1 to 2, it will take approximately 24 months. Maturity level 2 to 3, it will take 22 months. Maturity level 3 to 4, it will take 32 months. Maturity level 4 to 5, it will take 16 months, approximately 18 months also. Final word, you need to select the company where you can execute your skills and achieve your aim. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. For any kind of job assistant, you can reach us through email or call. And please do subscribe and motivate us. Thank you.